All right, bro. Truck drivers are so easy to rage bait. Also, shout out Bila Asan. I don't know how you say his name, but this is his video idea, so shout out him. Check out his channel. It's gonna be in the description. Anyways, I just want to talk about truck drivers here, okay, bro? These guys, I swear, like they're the easiest to rage bait. But what's the issue with truck drivers? Why would you want to rage bait them, right? What gives you the reason? Let me talk to you about truck drivers, right? As someone who's driving all day, every day, who's always putting miles on his car, let me tell you. First of all, I drive a sedan, okay? And you're wondering, like, why does that matter? Trucks are so high. I'm telling you, their headlights are at my head. So you know what that means? First of all, if I ever get into an accident with these truck drivers, I'm cooked, right? I'm turning to Swiss cheese. It's over. Not only that, but these guys, for some reason, have the brightest headlights of all eternity. You're literally driving and you can't see a thing. I promise you. These guys have their headlights turned up so bright, it's not even facing the ground. Like, it's directly into my eyeballs, hitting the back of my brain. Secondly, right, I feel like they're always speeding for whatever reason. Let's say there's a slow car in front of me. There's a truck tailgating me. Let's say I'm on the highway and I need to pass on the passing lane. There's a truck tailgating me at 85. If I'm ever going 85, like I never go above the speed limit. You know what I'm saying? And like, bro, like please, man, I'm trying to pass, bro. I'ma switch back. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, bro. I know you want me, bro, but calm down, man. So obviously, right, if you're getting tailgated, if you're getting blinded by these trucks, you're going to want some type of revenge. And for whatever reason, unfortunately for truck drivers, they are the easiest to rage bait. I feel like certain truck drivers always got to compensate for something. If you see like those giant trucks, like the monster trucks that are somehow road legal, like I'm talking about, they're white with a white underglow with giant wheels that each wheel is the size of like half your car, right? And they're just so sensitive. Like there's so many clips on the internet of truck drivers just getting absolutely rage baited. Like I promise you, bro, I swear truck drivers always be just having the most road rage for the dumbest reasons, right? You could accidentally cut them off. You can accidentally get in front of them. You can accidentally, like, I don't even know what. You could just accidentally exist in their vicinity, and then they're gonna wanna brake check you. They're gonna probably pull up to the side of you, roll down their window and flick you off. They're probably gonna park in front of you in the middle of traffic just to come talk to you and pretend like they're tough, but they're never tough. You feel me? Now, are there some good truck drivers out there? Perhaps, okay? But like, how many of them are chill? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'd rather have an interaction with a Prius driver than a truck driver. And then I'm not talking about like, I'm talking about pickup trucks, right? We haven't even gotten to the big trucks, okay? Those guys, oh my God, they piss me off, bro. But we're gonna get to that. But these truck drivers, man, I don't get what their problem is, bro. And then their trucks be so clean. You're telling me you got a F-150, you paid God knows how much for that expensive truck, and you're supposed to haul things, like you know what I'm saying? You're supposed to move stuff. You're supposed to be in the dirt. You just see the most every truck I've seen, Ram, anything, it's all just clean, bro. I know you guys don't put these trucks to work. They take this and they take it to their 9 to 5 like parking lot. Are you kidding me? Right? And then these trucks are way too big for their own good. Like, you do not need all of that, bro. Just get yourself a Honda Ridgeline. That's all you need. You need those tiny pickup trucks, bro. Stop driving these monsters, okay? You guys are literally not towing nothing. Y'all are useless. Now, let's talk about the big giant trucks, okay? Apparently these guys are not supposed to be in the left lane. You see, where I live, I don't think they care, because these guys, oh my goodness, bro. Why do they box you in? I swear, bro. Like, I swear they be boxing you in. Like, what are you doing? It's like a 2-lane, 3-lane highway and you're cooked. You're done.
That don't work. There's no way out of this one. You're done.
They do it on purpose. You can't go around them. And it's like, Ibn Kelb. Like, I don't know, man. It be pissing me off. Like, I hate these guys so much. And they be getting pissed when you want to like go around them. Like, they'll honk at you. Like, there was a clip going on the internet where this truck was trying to box in this other guy, but the car in front of the truck slowed down on purpose to let this other guy in. I don't know, bro. Something about these trucks, they're just, first of all, they're unsafe. Y'all get way too angry. Y'all, I've never seen one of you guys actually happy. Like, come on, bro. I just wanted to come here and vent about truck drivers because they're so easy to rage bait. And like, anyways, if you guys enjoyed this quick little video, let me know.